Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. You got your awesome Broadfork, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's so simple. All right, so the basic idea is you're just going to take the two dowels that are flat on both sides, put them at the bottom, then the ones that are rounded, those goes up to the top. Real simple. And all these do is slide into their couplings and just push them until the little tab stops. And then you're not going to be able to push it anymore. And that's it. And then you're going to put a screw in every one of the holes. So I don't even have to do more talking. You're just going to watch me do it. All right, now get to work.